Welcome to Learner Point. Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome to a journey that's about to reshape how you approach trading. Today, we're diving deep into the world of time frames, a key factor that can make or break your trading success. Imagine time frames as windows through which you view the market's movement. Depending on your trading style, these windows can vary from a few seconds to months. So, let's open these windows and explore the exciting types of trading. Intraday trading is all about seizing opportunities within the same trading day. Short-term time frames, like the 1-minute, 5-minute, or 15-minute intervals, are your go-to here. Perfect for those who thrive on fast-paced action. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding positions for days to weeks. Here, intermediate time frames such as the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily charts come into play. Ideal for the strategists who want to capture mid-term trends. Position trading is the long game, where positions are held for months or even years. You'll find yourself relying on those broader time frames, like weekly or monthly charts. It's like building a solid foundation for your trading empire. Now, let's talk about finding your perfect fit. Here are some tips to consider. 1. Set your goals. Short-term profit? Choose shorter time frames. 1. Long-term wealth? Opt for the longer ones. 2. Risk tolerance. Higher risk tolerance? Experiment with shorter time frames. 3. Trading style. Active trader? Embrace the fast-paced, shorter windows. 4. Passive? Longer frames are your match. 5. Experiment, like trying on new shoes. Test different time frames to see which one fits your trading stride. But wait, there's more. Factors that influence your choice include asset volatility. High volatility assets? Think shorter time frames. Asset liquidity. Illiquid assets? Longer frames to avoid slippage. Trading strategy. Different strategies thrive in different time frames. Tailor your choice accordingly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on mastering time frames in trading. Remember, choosing the right time frame is like choosing the right tool for the job. It can make all the difference in your trading success. Now, go ahead and apply these insights to elevate your trading game. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading wisdom. Until next time, happy trading. Visit our blog for details, link is in the description. Thanks for watching.